Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the dust cover and hinges on your SONY LX5BT. It is a super easy task. All you need to do, you need to flip it a little bit, so make sure that your stylus is protected here with this lock, as you can see. Then let's flip it. You can see I already have the hinges installed. It is super easy. They are in this shape, and it doesn't matter left or right. They are the same, so you just put them in whichever place. You can see they have this shape, so you just put them in. Okay, so let's go. Let's do it. Let's put it all the way in. Now the dust cover, which is also super easy to install because you just need to slide both holes of the dust cover onto the hinges. So let's do, you can do it like slowly one by one, like so, and then you can easily close it and open it whenever you want. And that is basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.